Welcome to Book Nook, the go-to place for insightful and engaging book summaries. Today, we're delving into Psyche by Paul Bloom. This remarkable book explores how our minds work, challenging preconceived notions about pleasure, suffering, and the human condition. Paul Bloom masterfully navigates through a series of compelling arguments, backed by scientific research and philosophical insights. He discusses how we find pleasure in the simple things, the complexity behind our suffering, and the profound impact of love and rationality on our lives. Each chapter of Psyche unfolds a new layer of the human mind, encouraging readers to reflect on their own experiences and beliefs. Bloom's writing is not just thought-provoking, but also offers practical implications for improving our everyday lives. In conclusion, Psyche by Paul Bloom is a must-read for anyone intrigued by the intricacies of the human mind. It invites us to rethink our understanding of pleasure, suffering, and what it means to live a fulfilled life. If you enjoyed this summary and wish to dive deeper into the world of books, don't forget to subscribe to Book Nook. Stay tuned for more engaging content, and remember, every book has a story waiting to be told. Let's discover them together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful book summaries.